I'm going to show you how to use the slide compare function. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a copy of this slide to simulate the scenario that you have when multiple people are working on the same presentation and they're feeding you different versions of the same slide, and it's up to you to compare the slides and figure out which one is the most up-to-date that you want to include in your deck. So what I've done here is I've got two different slides. They're very similar. I've selected both of them and I will click on the slide compare. And so what the algorithm does is it goes through pixel by pixel and it recognizes the differences and then highlights them in yellow. So up here I can select different slides, and so for example these are two very different slides, and so if I click on compare I'll see that there's a lot of highlighted changes in yellow. But if I go back to the original slide that I have here on the left, these look like the same to me. So what I'll do is I'll try and trick the system and click on the compare button, and it'll just assure me here with this green update that the slides are the exact same. So the other thing this system lets you do is it lets you compare slides that are in different decks that you have currently open on your computer. So I have another file here called business case v5 update. So if I click on that, it'll open up this other deck and I can select this yet another version of this same slide and compare. And this time you'll notice that there are way more differences in terms of the sizing, the formatting, and the values. So the system also lets you compare slides to presentations that are not currently open on your desktop. So what you can do is you could just click on the import and you just open any PowerPoint deck and it'll add that deck up here and you can select those slides. So that is the slide compare function.